What's going on, Jamaican Insiders? Welcome back to the channel. Just taking a short drive here in the vicinity of Halfway Tree. Just leaving Red Hills Road, approaching Constant Spring Road right now. Just thought I'd share the drive with you. Stick and stay with me, alright? So right now it's 3:45 on a Tuesday afternoon. Yesterday was a national holiday. The roads are a bit busy today. These persons have gone back to work. I want to keep my distance from this truck in front of me that's currently transporting cooking gas. So on our left are the plazas. First plaza that you can see now is the Village Plaza. As you can see, the Christmas decorations are still up, as today is just December 28th. Passing by PICA, Passport Immigration Control Agency, on our right. That's where we go to get our passport here in Kingston. Very sunny day. Hope you're enjoying the view so far. If you are, do hit that like button. On our right we have the Pavilion Mall. And after the Pavilion Mall is the Transport Center. Of course, the Transport Center is where we go to catch our bus to get to different areas across Kingston and St. Andrew. Yes folks, this is Halfway Tree, the hustle and bustle. To all my Jamaicans living abroad, when last have you been to Halfway Tree? Let me know in the comment section.